And I've not yet been invited in one, but I would like to.
We've got 2 robots in there.
Have you?
The pick and stack, yeah.
And we'd be able to see those and film them? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're here at Mansfield Brick in Mansfield, Nottinghamshire. And you can hear somebody in the background. It's PJ Audits. So as PJ heads his way down the path, through the fence, we can see, guess what? Lots of bricks. Lots and lots of bricks. And lovely grounds, to be honest. Gardener's doing a great job. So yeah, as we walk past all this, it's quite hard to actually work out what they are. Whether they're curbstones or... It looks like they interlock into each other. Certainly a question for a staff member. Hopefully we find one. So the first sign that we come to, delivery vans, staff and visitor parking and all lorries continue to the weighbridge. So we've got authorised vehicles only, and we've got visitor parking, keep left. The pedestrian gate seems to be locked. Yeah, on the packaging it says small slips. So maybe they're edging. One of those forklifts with 4 forks there, look. But it looks like they've had a little accident with this post because, as you can see, the bolts have come open. So if we give this a little wobble, oh yes, look at that. That is very unsafe, isn't it? That needs securing. One little touch on the fence and we've got all that movement, look. So the pedestrian gate is locked and you cannot open it.
What's it about?
Well, I'd rather, if we can come in safely through the gate, because as you say, we're on an unsafe road at the minute, aren't we?
Well, if you want to come in and have a conversation here,
yeah.
you can walk in here.
So we do go around the UK.
Before you're recording me without my permission, you can't necessarily do that.
Yeah, you invited us in.
I didn't invite you to record me.
Well, the cameras can't stop, unfortunately. Do you want? Shall we talk from outside?
No, give me a shout, and I'll have a conversation with you, whatever it's about. But I appreciate, I work, so I've got stuff to do.
Right. Just in summary, then, are you okay if we just do some aerial photography with the drone over the site?
I don't think I can stop you, can you? Just want to come off the.
Yeah, mate.
The last thing I want to do is get you run over.
It's because the gate's closed, that's all. That's why we were staying outside and we didn't want to come in on the road.
Right, okay.
Is it normally open or?
No, not normally. We don't have pedestrians come to our site, to be honest.
Right, okay. We're just being polite, just in case you saw us outside, you wondered what we're doing. That's our intentions, just wanted to check with you, that's all.
So, what are you doing though?
We make YouTube videos.
Right.
About industry.
Right.
700 videos and DJ's got, I don't know.
So basically we've got a lot of videos on YouTube. We go to industrial estates. We'd like to fly the drone around because you've got a lovely site. We're just checking in with you first.
We do manufacture here, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Is your manufacturing plant running at the minute?
It is, yeah.
It just looked really, really quiet.
We're quite well insulated, and we try and make sure we're good neighbours because I appreciate this was an industrial site some years ago, but even then we still want to make sure that ourselves, Plastic and Torre, doing, because just the other side of there we've got some urban areas which we want to make sure that they're not bothered.
What type of bricks is it that you make here?
The concrete.
I can see the concrete, but
it's Mansfield Brick, which is the business was made in initialised in 1840.
Right.
But fundamentally, the bricks are for construction use. So
I noticed that they're like slotted. Some of them are slotted, so that
those are flooring.
They're flooring.
Are the small slips flooring as well?
Can be. Yeah, it can be. They're used in their sort of areas. Listen, we could go into a great deal about this, and I'm more than happy to talk to you guys.
It's bad timing, is it?
It is about time, and it's not ideal for me because
Okay.
you've just picked. This is month end,
Right.
so the reason we're in this morning is big stock take. You do a stock take once a month.
Right. Okay.
If you want to come and have a chat with us, and if you give me a card or whatever, then I'll look at YouTube and see what you do. Don't do a lot of social media, but I've got no problems with it. It's just
That's brilliant.
Yeah, because we travel the UK, we don't tend to visit the same place twice. So it's just...
I've been down
You've
here
been
once
here
before.
yeah.
That's
And
before his
I
drone.
was going to fly the drone, but it was that windy. The trees were at like a 45-degree angle, so I couldn't.
Right.
So do you know how you
First chance I had to get back to it.
You know how you recognised him then? So you've seen his channel, have you?
No, so I
Security
didn't.
told you I've been here.
I think that was the case, and the lady and the chap in the office just said,
Go on, be honest.
this gentleman came to see us.
What were the real words that came out of the mouth?
Seriously.
No, they were very pleasant when I came before.
Right.
It's the dreadlocks that give it away.
Yeah.
I mean, you're very recognisable, I guess.
Yeah.
So sometimes these unannounced visits, they can end well. I mean, you could have said, yeah, come on, I'll show you inside. And the viewers would have loved that. And your online reputation, your Google reviews, Trustpilot, they all get nice scores and nice comments. But I appreciate it's not good timing. So we'll just leave it as that for today, shall we?
But I mean, if you're back in the area, just give us a call. I haven't got a problem with it. It's difficult for us to certainly just pick the wrong time.
Yeah.
If I'd have got more time to deal with it, then that'd be great. But you've got month end, and I started at 4 o'clock this morning, which is
No, you get home, mate.
By the time you get to 2 o'clock, you're ready.
We appreciate
Would it be possible if I come with all my PPE to perhaps have a tour of the site and show me the manufacturing and everything? I did one at Tarmac, where they make the bricks there.
Yeah. What, Alfreton or?
Is it Summer Coat?
Summer Coat, yeah.
Yeah, I did. About an hour and a quarter video. He showed me all around the factory, all the way through the manufacturing.
Who was that? Because our industry is a big industry, we're a very small community. Generally, we know
I can't
each
remember
other.
his name now. Little stocky fella. Ever so nice he was. And it took me all the way around the plant, and I got everything from the sand and the gravel and everything coming in to the bricks being loaded on the truck and going out all the way through.
Yeah.
The ovens, the mixing plant, the whole lot. An hour and a quarter, and some drone shots as well. Yeah, we're really interested.
I'm not against it. I've been in this industry 30 years, so I'm quite passionate about not only this, ags, asphalt, concrete, and it's a primary industry. It's not very sexy. So
you might not think so, but I find it really interesting.
Yeah.
Strangely, I do find it very interesting. So I wouldn't have done it for 30 years, but it'd be nice to catch up, do something, be great.
I'd love to do
that. Just the timing's not brilliant, but a bit of warning is better.
No, that's not a problem. If I can, have you got an email address?
I have, yes.
If you give me,
you're recording it anyway.
No, well, I'll blank it out with your email address anyway. But if you just give me your email.
Well, I'll write it down for you, and then you can take it. And you got my mobile. Give me a call on my mobile. It's really not a problem.
Right.
It's not. It's just.
Because we both love to come down, won't we? And have a good
The fact that you've dangled the carrot that we could get an inside tour is certainly worth coming back for, because we don't very often get it. I was at Ibstock Brick. Is that your competitor the other day?
Not really, no.
Right,
no,
different product. Right, yeah. They've got their own quarry on site.
Yes.
Yeah. So the drone, I mean, it's amazing to see. So when the drone goes up and around here, all we're going to see is neatly stacked bricks and a few chimneys. Is there anything?
Really, no.
Conveyor belts.
Yeah, and they're covered, so you won't see that either.
Do you deal with Canning conveyors?
We've used them. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I did a big tour of their place as well. That was really interesting. They were fantastic.
So it all ties into each other. The viewers like to see a little bit from Canning, a little bit from Ibstock. Oh, let's see an alternative brick manufacturer.
Yeah.
So is it pressed or is it? What?
You get a lot out of it.
Yeah.
So yes, we take aggregate as same thing with Ibstock or Tarmac. Take aggregate, cement, make it into a semi hard concrete.
Do you bake them same as they do?
It's sort of. So it goes in the kiln, but you press it. It goes into a kiln. It's a chemical process, so it's heat of hydration. So it's all internal. The heat, that's what generates. So bricks don't.
But concrete creates heat anyway.
Heat of hydration. So it's a chemical process, and then they come out, we stock them, wrap them, and then.
Oh no, those there, they went in some massive big ovens. We've got like 14 or 15 of them.
So
And as they fill in the last one, as soon as that one's empty, we start emptying the first one.
your summer coats.
The summer coats.
So they're autoclaves. So
Yeah.
they're pressurised.
But they had a similar thing. They ran under the wrong heat at first until they got them in the oven, and then they were and it was very hot in there, and they got all this safety gear on.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah, and I was cooking. But yeah, it was really, really interesting.
Yeah, and for the viewer, it was amazing to watch as well.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah, you don't
You're
often
quite
see
passionate
behind the
about this,
scenes.
aren't you?
It's behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah.
It's very rarely seen. Imagine these automated, fully automated warehouses where you've got robots picking the orders. You know, it's amazing. And I've not yet been invited in one, but I would like to.
We've got 2 robots in there.
Have you?
The pick and stack, yeah.
And we'd be able to see those and film them.
Yeah, I can't see why not. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Right,
So
we're going to cut any personal details out. So if you do want to say your email or pass us a card,
We're going to get us a card.
brilliant. Thank you
I'll just
so
give
much.
You a,
I'm glad we came here.
header, and then you can have it. Okay.
Thank you. Wow. So it started off with we're concerned for your safety outside, and I was saying, well, the gate's closed, mister, but you know, it just shows that if you just give somebody a chance, you know, he is actually going to let us go in and see the robots. Wow. So that was unexpected. Paul, the general manager of Mansfield Brick, we've now got his details. We'll arrange a convenient date and we'll see inside the place. But before we do, let's end this video how we always do, with the drone footage. So let's get David out and see what this place looks like from above. The noisy gate closing at the company next door. Right, let's get the drone out. So as always, we've checked on drone assist. There are no flight restrictions in this area. So let's go and have a look at Mansfield Brick. No great introduction required about where we walked because we literally had every piece of that conversation right just there, and the gentleman was in the gatehouse. Whether he was just about to leave or whether his office is in there, I'm not sure.
I think he was on his way out, maybe.
On his way out, maybe, yeah.
I would if I'd been there before.
Yeah, but these month ends, you have to close all the ledgers and move the figures over to the next period. Oh, I've been there, done that.
On a regular basis.
Every month end was an absolute nightmare. You've got certain things that have to be done and you roll over to the next period. But yeah, this is the site. Wow, look how many solar panels are on there. Wow. And then we've got some conveyors that obviously bring the materials from outside to inside. So we've got a front loader right now. Let's see what he's doing. Yeah, his bucket is full. Let's see where he takes it. Yeah, he's going to drop it into that grid. And you can imagine the conveyor going up that chute. They've all got radios and they're all being told what to send up next. It goes into there, look. And then something else happens in there. Then it goes up that one. And what material might that be in the middle? They just call it aggregate, don't they? All different type of stones, sand, cement. Got a couple of guys down here doing something. Are they filling the forklift up with fuel maybe? And we've got DPD just coming onto site over there. So let's have a little perimeter fly around. A couple of silos there, I presume that is the cement. Some storage containers. A little car park. Bit of a messy entrance there. That must be where they bring stuff in and out. The shutters are firmly closed though. What we got down in this corner? Got some pressurized cylinders there. Some sort of gas. And lots more of the product. All in marked bays as well. Looks very neat and tidy. And they're using the lines to keep it all looking very, very square. So the best open shutter that I can see is this one. So let's get a little bit closer. Have a little bit of a look. As a little teaser before we have our proper internal tour. And there we have it, look. The little glimpse inside the place where we have been invited. And we've got, is this a little conveyor belt as well? With some brick pallets going in? Looks like that to me. And health and safety is very, very high on their list of priorities, look. The marked walkways with the little gates. So that's absolutely fantastic. Let's get David back and move on. So that's it from Mansfield Brick. Paul, the general manager there, what a guy, inviting us back. And he already has mentioned a date. So that will be to follow. Can't wait for that one. So on their website, it says Mansfield-Sand. And the Mansfield-Sand company has pioneered the development and production of premium quality silica sand-based products for over 170 years. We provide a wide range of innovative products for sports, landscaping and equestrian uses. So we'll find out more about that on the next video. But for now, from Mansfield Brick, if you have enjoyed that video, do give it a thumbs up for me and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.